Ms. Yarborough is not in attendance. Is her advisor available? Thank you.
Yes, that
Ms.
is.
TSE, excuse me.
Come on over here,
Okay.
if you don't mind. Yeah, so Mrs. Yarborough was to be here, and we haven't seen her yet. Okay. So we'll see if she pops in while we're doing this. Let me go ahead and read a little bit about the team. In fact, come on in. Come on in. We'll get some camera time for you. Okay, the City of Chino Hills would like to recognize the accomplishments of an outstanding group of students from Lucan Ayala High School. The all-girls robotics team competed at the VEX, or VEX Robotics State Championship just a few weeks ago and were awarded the Excellence Award, the highest award given at these robotics tournaments. Congratulations. Excellent. They competed against 47 other teams from all over California. The team will now advance to the VEX Robotics World Championship being held in Louisville, Kentucky in April. How exciting for Chino Hills. In addition to 9 other awards they garnered throughout the 2017-2018 robotics competition season have qualified them to compete at the 2018 U.S. Open VEX Robotics National Championship being held in Iowa in April also. Well, congratulations on that. They're going to do a little demonstration, and then after the demo, well, why don't we take care of certificates first, and then when we're done with certificates, let's do a little demonstration as to what you have. So, we're going to give you certificates, one from the City of Chino Hills, and one from our County Supervisor, Kurt Hagen. So you won't need to take these apart. Would you like to help me present the awards to the individuals? So let me give these to you.
Okay. All right. So first up, we have Sydney Ackerman. Kristen Alexi. Elaine Cal. Oishi Das. Jace King. And Shelby Wu.
Anything you'd like to say?
Yeah, so our Bionic Resilience girls work really hard, and it's such an honor for them to receive this recognition from the City of Chino Hills. Thank you.
All right. So we're going to do a demonstration. Would you like to put the certificates down or give them back to me or whatever you want to do, and we'll do the demonstrations.
You want to do a picture second?
Oh, we can do it now. Okay. We're going to do it. Okay. Are you ready to do the presentation? Okay, we'll do it. And then you can...
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. You want to do it online? You can try. I'm not sure if the audio will work out for you. Because can one person kind of narrate as you go along? Ross.
You can talk loudly.
Well, this is on TV, so there's no microphones. So, come on. Who's going to be brave?
So in 2015, we began the VEX Robotics program at Canyon Hills. In our first year competing, we won numerous awards qualifying us for the VEX State Championship. And there we were lucky enough to receive the 2016 California VEX Tournament Award, qualifying us for the VEX World Championship. As competing, we learned that girl power is very strong, and so we learned that through using girl power, we can use it to outreach and bring in more girls into robotics. Yeah.
So after our first year competing as an all-girls team, as a middle school team, we moved on to high school. Well, Shelby and I moved into high school, and the rest of the girls stayed in middle school since they are a grade younger than us. Our first year in Ayala High School, we started the VEX Robotics program under the umbrella of the Ayala STEM Club, which currently supports the FTC Robotics program. And unfortunately, they did not have enough resources to support both programs. So this year, we decided to come out from that umbrella and create the Ayala VEX Robotics Club, which solely just supports Ayala VEX and our team 91709A and another brother team 91709B. We hope to continue our success with this team and club.
Excellent.
The VEX competition is a really big robotic competition, one of the biggest in the world, that help promote kids from around the world to come together to brainstorm, design, create, and build robots from scratch. Every year there's a new challenge that is being posted by VEX, and kids have to create a robot designed for that challenge or the specific task. Kids from around the world create teams together to form teams that compete at many different levels of VEX. VEX IQ, VEX EDR, which is what we currently do, and VEX U. The different teams compete together in the regional competitions where certain awards can qualify them for the state and national competition. At the state championship, they also can earn different awards which can qualify them for the world competitions, which is held in Kentucky. The world's competition is a very big competition where teams from all around the world come together to compete and promote a career in the STEM fields. In order to achieve these awards, the robot has to be a very well-built robot, a very documented notebook, and a very good presentation to the judges.
We have won many awards as a team. One of our main awards that we have earned is the second highest award, the Amaze Award. The Amaze Award is given to the team, a well-rounded team with a good robot, interview, and notebook. Two of the highest awards that qualify us for the state competition include the Tournament Champion Award and the Excellence Award. The Tournament Champion Award is given based on robotic performance in the game. The next award is the Excellence Award. The Excellence Award is given by the judges and is the highest award. Both of these awards can qualify us for states and in the regional level. We have earned the Amaze Award, 2 Excellence Awards, and 2 Tournament Champion Awards. In the state competition with 47 teams from all over Southern California, we had earned the Excellence Award, again the highest award.
Adding on to what Jace just said, we have also won the 2 Judges Award, 1 Design Award, and 1 Build Award. For the Judges Award, it is a recognition from the judges for special accomplishments. The judges will look at how we presented ourselves and our robot. The Design Award is presented to a team that shows an amazing effort in the entire design process and the design of the robot. The Build Award is presented to a team that has a well-crafted robot. Because of our accomplishments, we are both qualified for national and the world championships, which we're attending this April.
The challenge this year is called In the Zone. With this task, we are supposed to score cones onto mobile goals and stationary goals, and score them into the 5, 10, and 20-point zones. Throughout the year, our team goes through many different design briefs, brainstorming, and trial and error. We document these brainstorming into the notebook, in which we explain in detail our design, as well as our experiences in tournaments. Our robot consists of a 6-bar lift connected to a roller intake as well as a mobile intake. The 6-bar lift allows us to score at least 10 cones onto the mobile goal. The roller intake allows us to efficiently pick up cones and stack them onto the stationary or mobile goals. And the mobile goal intake allows us to score the mobile goal into the 10-point zone efficiently.
So for our team to be able to earn all of these awards and to have all the accomplishments that we have today, we wouldn't be able to do it without teamwork and working together as a team and brainstorming together. We all have different jobs on our team and we all contribute in different ways in robotics and onto our team. My name is Oishi Das and I'm the captain. Shelby Wu is the co-captain and lead programmer. Jace Tiong is one of the designers and works on the notebook. Sydney Ackerman is the head engineer. Elaine Kao is the designer. Kristen Alexi is the lead driver and one of the engineers.
So now I will be driving.
Good stuff, Marla. Thank you.
We have buttons to pass out to.
You got some buttons to pass out to the audience members or council members? Thank you.
Thank you so much, appreciate it.
Well, congratulations to the team. Good luck with your competitions in April. Really appreciate it.